Hi guys, I've had a few requests on how to create those emojis, those avatars. So I'm going to show you how I do it on the iPhone. It might be a little different than the phone you're using, but it should follow the same kind of process. So I go to the App Store. If you haven't downloaded it already, go to the App Store. And I did a keyword search on Bitmoji, and this is the one I use, Bitmoji. And so mine says open because I've already had it downloaded, but yours might say something like purchase. On the iPhone it's free, but I don't know about the other ones. So mine is pre-filled with some characters because I've already built mine. But I just, for you, you'll probably get pulled into. You see that little baby with the pencil there? That's the settings area, the build-up. But let me show you actually a keyboard setting that you're going to want to do if you want to play with this on sending instant messages or putting things on Facebook. So you see the little wheel. I'm going to click on that. That's my settings. I'm going to go to keyboard instructions, and I'll leave this up there for a minute. But that's how to get it activated on your keyboard so they pull in when you start doing messages and stuff. You'll have an option to grab those. And you also have a couple of styles to choose from. This one here is the classic big strips style that you guys are probably used to seeing. And this is the one I select. Use that style. And this is probably what's going to pull you in first. So here's where you build your avatar. You change everything from hair color, you build your eyes, cheeks, your little button nose. The very, very bottom row, right now you see the green hair is highlighted. That's because we're on the hair selections. This here is skin tone. Then we can actually go into some hairstyles as well as our hair colors. We can even give ourselves some little highlights. Change your eye shape. I won't go through all of these, but you guys kind of get the gist of it. You can give yourself a little button nose, throw some glasses on. Here's your body build. So you have, you select the body type that you desire, or you have, or desire to have. And then you can also, maybe give yourself a little boob job. And then when you're done, here's some clothes. So they have everything from casual to, and it changes with seasons too. So right now we're in the summer season, or starting to, so we have some more options. I might want to dress up a little bit there, but still wear my shorts. And when you're done, you hit the little check mark, and that saves your avatar. And looking good. All right, so once it's saved, you have a couple of options. You can kind of go into these little bottom areas where they're kind of grouped by categories. So if you've got some happy love thing going on, you can click on that. You can have some just kind of general categories there. A little smirky stuff going on, maybe some celebrations. So you pick the one you want. Let's see, you want to say thanks to someone. You get pulled into, or on the iPhone at least, you get pulled into the areas that you can play with. So you can do a message, you can do email, you can do Twitter, Facebook, put it into your photos, or you could just save the image and save it later if you want to, just kind of play with it or keep it. So I'll save that image. And when you want to start from scratch, let's say you don't want to open your Bitmoji and you pulled it into your keyboard, the other option you can do is, now that you have it built and you're going to type a message, compose your new message, here's where you see it on your keyboard. You have a 1, 2, 3 down here. This little globe, that's the one you want to hit. And then you have an ABC. And there you get your little emojis. Now here it's not grouped. Well, you still have your categories, but if you want to kind of speed things up, you can do keyword searches. So it's my screen, and then you can pick your ice cream, and then I selected the one I wanted, but now I actually have to paste it in. So I just put my cursor there, paste it, find the person you want to send it to. and then hit send just like you would any other message. Now you can still type down here, and then hit send after you put the two in, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you enjoyed this how-to video on the creating an avatar.